Attorney's Handbags here. Welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here and you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and click that subscribe button because it's absolutely free to you. And I'd like to say welcome to all my returning subscribers. Thank you guys so much for tuning in with your girl again. Now today, guys, as you can see from the title, your girl has secured her bag. Now I knew you guys are probably wondering, like, girl, what you talking about? So last year, if you guys remember, DJ King showed a bag that she picked up from Ross that I feel like became the it bag. Everybody in the handbag community was on the hunt for this bag. Now, on Mother's Day weekend, guys, I went to go visit my boys in Columbia, and I went in Burlington, and my bag was there and I secured it. So we're gonna stop rambling and I'm gonna show y'all the bag that I am talking about. Y'all, it is none other than the Karl Lagerfeld Agyness bag. Y'all, do y'all see this denim bag? Oh, y'all, just take it in for a minute. Let's go ahead and take in the beauty of her. Oh my God, y'all, I am so glad and excited and happy and ecstatic to have this beautiful bag in my collection. Let me tell y'all, ever since I got this bag, I have not stopped playing with this bag. So y'all know I am super excited to get into this bag. Now I do have a few other bags in rotation first before I get to her. But when I do, absolutely gorgeous, y'all. So let's go ahead and get into the features of this beautiful bag. So as you can see, it does have Karl Lagerfeld here on the turn lock. All the hardware is in gold. This chain is nice and heavy. Absolutely love that. And it does have the denim that is piped through the chain. So I absolutely love that. You can wear this as a shoulder or a crossbody. It does have the Eiffel Tower here as the bag charm on here. So cute. So cutesy, as my girl Jazz says, from the completed look. This is the side of the bag. Here is the back. It does come with a snap pocket here on the back, and it does go the length of the bag, guys. Now, I have a Samsung Note 10, and I'm recording on it, but this is the case, and it does fit down in here with no problems, as you guys can see. And if I wanted to, I do have enough room on the side where I could put, you know, something else in there if I needed to. So love that. And this is the bottom of the bag. It doesn't have any feet. And I do love the quilting on this bag. It is just absolutely gorgeous. This denim is stunning. Now this is the dark wash denim. And if you guys can see, I don't know if the camera is going to pick it up, but the top flap is a darker wash denim, and the front part of the bag is still a dark denim, but it's more washed out. Y'all, I absolutely love that look. So you can probably see the difference on the side here and then back to the front. So that's the difference in the denim, but I absolutely love that. Now it is lined with denim on the inside flap as well too. Now in the interior of this bag, it does come with a back zipper compartment. It has the Karl Lagerfeld stamped in gold on the back wall as well too. So that is the zipper compartment. And then on the front, you do get a slip pocket, but you also get 3 card slots on that slip pocket as well too, guys. And then the inside is lined with like that satin like material in black. And like I said, this bag, you do get a lot of room. I like how it does stretch and expand, so I love that as well too. Now, y'all, when I tell y'all last year, I was looking in every TJ Maxx, Marshalls, Ross, and nobody had this bag where I was at. I was so sad. And I just chopped it up that I was not going to ever find this bag. But Mother's Day weekend, like I said, I went to go visit my boys, and I went in Burlington because I wanted to pick up some sunglasses and some bag charms. And that's all I was checking for in there, y'all. And because I already knew that that Sunday we were going out to eat, and then my sons were going to take me to Coach to pick up a bag. Well, I wasn't really looking for a bag, but you know, we go in these stores, we gotta go check the handbag section, right? So your girl went in the handbag section. First aisle, I ain't really seen nothing. Went on the second aisle, y'all, and y'all know how in the movies or whatever, when it's like a spotlight hits something and you hear the ta-da. That's what happened when I saw this bag, y'all. I'm not even joking. That's what it felt like. Y'all, I pressed that little assist button so quick. I had the assistant come over, unlock her, took her to the register. I didn't even want to look around the store no more because I just wanted to secure my bag. I called my son at work. I'm like, hey, I think I found my bag. And he was like, you in Coach? And I'm like, no, I'm in Burlington. He was like, I thought we was going to Coach. I was like, child, I done found my bag. And he was like, all right, Ma, I'm going to go ahead and just send you the money or whatever. And I checked out, and she is now in my collection. She will not be going anywhere. She's a forever bag, y'all. Do y'all see her in all her glory? She is just absolutely gorgeous, and I am so glad that I have her in my collection finally. Now, I watched DJ King do her bag reveal for this. I watched Lono's Beauty. I watched Carmen Hawkins, and y'all, your girl has finally secured her bag, and I am so excited to have her in my collection. I cannot wait to wear this bag. And denim is just one of those bags that it literally goes with anything. Like what I have on now, it literally goes with anything. So I just love that about denim. Let me know down below, guys, do you have the denim Agyness in your collection? If not, guys, I will try to leave a link because I believe that Amazon now has this bag. If you guys have stuck with me this far, please make sure, if you're not already, to go ahead and subscribe to my channel. And to all my returning subscribers, thank you guys so much for tuning in. Don't forget to like this video, leave a nice comment down below, and also share and click that bell. That way you're always notified every time I upload a new video. And until the next time, guys, please make sure to stay focused and determined on achieving your goals for the day. And I will see you lovelies in my next video. Bye.